Hey guys, this is Zach, and today I'm demonstrating my driving game. So, you start it, and then you get this screen. So, the way it works is that, I'm going to stop it. The way it works is that this green car has to try to shoot at the brown car, and the brown car will avoid it. The brown car is completely AI, so that means that it is completely controlled by a computer. So let's try shooting it. Also, meanwhile, we have to dodge the bullets or your car will get red. It looks like we missed. Let's try shooting again. We missed. As you can see, the brown car can dodge the bullets. The way to shoot the brown car is to actually shoot ahead of where it's going, so it will go into the bullet. Meanwhile, let's dodge the brown car's bullets. Looks like we missed again. It is actually a hard game. Even though I created it, I can't do it. So, since I'm the creator of the game, technically I can make it do whatever I want. So I made it, if the Scratch username is ZSeagull, then you get hacks. Technically that's how it goes. So press E and you get a shield. Now everything that the brown car shoots at you will be shot back at itself. So we can do it here. So let's restart. Turn on the shield. Take a look at this. The brown car shot it, it bounced right off. I will turn it off turbo mode. The car is basically invincible. Now, if you press Q, it automatically aims at the car and gets the car. Again, that is a hack, and only I get that. So I'm special. There, now we got it manually. So now it resets it. It is a little buggy, but it does it. And now you have to just shoot it only once. This level is easy since the car doesn't have a lot of space to actually go. Even though I can't. There, I got it. Now we have a thing called a tower. What the tower does is that it shoots at the car. So now you have the tower and the brown car shooting at you. So now let's just try to escape the tower. Turn on our shield. And we got it. The cool thing about this is that the brown car can try to run away. As you see, it made its first small attempt to run away from the green car. We will try to move the green car away. Now let's try getting the brown car. Our bullets always hit it. Now we're on the next level. It shows the levels over here. Now we have 2 towers and a car shooting at you. So now 3 bullets are there. All 3 bullets can bounce off. I can spin and do cool effects. It looks cool. Here is the coolest thing. If we start over the program, press 1, and it will go in autopilot mode. Autopilot mode is where the green car automatically controls itself. Now it's in autopilot mode. I turned it on too late. But autopilot mode. It automatically controls itself and tries to dodge the bullets. In autopilot mode, you still have to shoot. Later in the game, I will make it so you have to buy autopilot mode in the store. You get money for completing levels, and autopilot mode will cost, for example, 50 coins. This isn't added to the game yet. Let's try autopilot mode in a harder level. Put on our shield, do some hacks. Autopilot mode is not finished yet. It is a little glitchy. Let's get to the next level in our way. Let's try autopilot mode. Press 1 to turn it on. Let's see how well autopilot mode can dodge everything. I am not doing anything right now. As you can see, autopilot mode is doing it. It is working how it's supposed to work. Sometimes I turn autopilot mode on and off to stop it. For example, sometimes autopilot mode decides to go right next to the car, and it's very easy to shoot it. So we don't always want that. Normally the car gets hit in the tower because autopilot mode isn't fast enough to respond. As you can see, it is closely got away, but it did get hit. It got away from the second bullet. Let's see if it can get away from this bullet. There is a 3-second delay in between all of the shots in the towers. Let's get the brown car. Shoot. As you can see, the brown car tries to escape, but it doesn't. One more shot and then we'll be done. You get autopilot mode without the hacks. The hacks are only work for Z Seagull. I made the project, so. Now we have 2 towers. As you can see, autopilot mode doesn't always work. Let's speed through the levels to get to that level again. The way it does all those bullets is something in Scratch called cloning. It clones all of the sprites, so it makes one big one. Let's shoot it. Now let's go to the next level. Next level. Then we'll see how well autopilot mode works. First we will try it with the shield on. First we have to shoot it. Now we are on the second level. Let's see if we can get the brown car away. Now we turn on autopilot. Now autopilot must know that that gray box is there, even though it doesn't know. So to autopilot mode, it is no difference. So far, it is doing pretty good. I am guessing it will get hit right there. Yes. Get away. Now we'll try shooting it. It will probably miss. There are actually a lot of bullets going through the air right now. I wonder why it didn't get hit by that bullet. Maybe it is a bullet that I shot. No, there are 4. Now it will get hit because... There. This is how... Now, if we are trying to debug the program, and also this is good for showing you how everything works. The way it works is, there are these sprites. This sprite detects how in autopilot mode it should turn. If you watch it, whenever that brown box hits the black, it will automatically turn. It is not showing that when you're playing the game. It is also the same with the green autopilot mode. And the bullets. There's a blue box around the bullets. Turn this autopilot mode on. As you can see, whenever the black or the green hits the box, it turns. The way the bullets works is that when that blue hits the brown, then it will automatically turn away. Let's try to give a demonstration of that. Let's wait for the bullet to finish. Let's try to shoot the brown car. Maybe we will. Maybe we'll see it escape. As you can see, nothing happened that good. So, when that blue hits the brown, you can see that the brown car moves faster. It escaped the bullet. That's how it works. It is the same for all the levels. I can turn on the hacks. Now, when the purple hits the brown, it will try and escape. I did this because it would be hard to create a blue box around every single clone, because then you'd have to clone the blue boxes. Now we are on the next level. We can shoot the brown car. There, we made it. Have you been wondering what this blue box was doing over here? Well, that is the tower bullet. Shield. Now it is invincible. Let's try getting the brown car. The brown car tries to escape. You can see this. But those bullets get it. The brown car will try to escape again, but fail. We need one more hit. The cool thing is that you can push the bullet, and since it is cloning the bullet, we can hit Q now, or now, and it will clone out of the bullet. So now, since the brown car has to stop, it will get hit. Now we are on the last level. The towers. Sometimes the bullets get clogged up over there. These bullets, this bullet I believe, is the bullet and the brown car's bullet. What you would have to do is restart it. Let's get into the details of how the game works. It is basically as I told you. This is the brown car sprite over here. And all this is doing is basically going to the sensor and pointing in the direction that the sensor is pointing. So actually, this brown sprite isn't actually doing anything. Then if touching color black or touching color green, this is basically saying stop moving, because we don't want it to go outside, even if it's turning. So if touching sprite 3, which is the bullet, then as you saw, it goes red, and then it goes back, and it also stops. It is the same thing with the green car auto sensor. All this is doing is going. The bullet sensor is just going to the bullet. The towers is just showing and hiding. The towers is more for the effect. You don't actually need them. You could actually just put them into the background. These bullets are just saying if the level is equal to 4, I believe this is 3 and 4, but if shoot 3 equals 1, shoot 3 should equal 1 when the bullet is in the air. Set reverse to 0. This reverse is for my little hack I made. Let me show you how the hack works. Let me log out and go back. The hack actually doesn't work. You have to be logged in to make the hack work. Logged in as ZSeagull at least. Now I get the hack. As ZSeagull, I actually get other special abilities. If I press the up arrow, now edit mode is on. Users other than ZSeagull will not be able to enter the program now. I will turn this on when I'm editing the program and I don't want people to use it. I would like to demonstrate that, but I don't have an account to use. Or Wait 1 second. So we're going to log in on another account. This is a different account. This account has cloud data, cloud variables enabled. To get cloud variables enabled, you have to be on Scratch for a certain amount of time. So now you can go to mine. My username is zseagull. Now you can see that, sorry, the program is in edit mode. This means zseagull is working on it. Check back later. You can turn off edit mode, press down arrow. Should be off. Maybe it's not working. Down, down, down. On, on, on. Why isn't it working? We can look at edit mode. Edit mode is 1. Should it be? Let's see what is being on. Something is triggering edit mode to be put back to 1. It is probably in the stage. This looks like it is only where changing. This is only where the edit mode is changing. Up arrow set it to 1. Down arrow set it to 0. Why is it setting back to 1? So now my up arrow is being triggered. Let us try this. 0, stop the program. 0, stop. Looks like something else is making it be 1. It could be on this program, possibly. No, because it says if username equals zseagull. This is a strange error. Oh, I see why. It looks like something made me be signed in as a different person. Let me sign out on this account and sign in on my account. This is Seagull D. This is zseagull. Let us look at driving game. There. It's on. It is now off, off, off. Turn it on. I believe this is because we're using it from the same computer and Scratch is getting something confused. Well, this is how my driving game is. To get to it, go to scratch.mit.edu/projects/11349640/. Thank you for watching my driving game program. Hopefully we'll have the bug with edit mode fixed. See ya.